guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So if you haven't seen my weekly spread for November 30th through December 6th, that is on my beauty channel, so definitely check it out if you want to see what my spread looked like for this week. A little bit behind a few days on my monthly, but today, like, I sat down and I planned out several spreads on wax paper, so when I get to that week, it's already planned out and I just have to arrange the stickers. So I've been doing that for like 3 hours today. So I wanted my monthly spread to be festive, but not necessarily, you know, red and green. So I was like, I never use silver. I hardly ever use silver. So I wanted to do silver and red. And these are the stickers I pulled. It's kind of hard to see the silver because, you know, the glare, and I'm recording at night. But I'll probably show you guys like what the pictures look like in natural lighting and everything, because it's gonna look better in pictures and stuff during the day. So I want to try to fit all of my stickers on here. I did a collaboration with Cassie That Girl and Wheezy Wig Reviews. Wheezy's, her style of planning, she uses a lot of stickers. I like to use a lot of stickers too, but I usually don't use as much as she does. But when she did that, I was like, oh my God, that just looks so fun. And I want to use my stickers up. So I want to try to use as many stickers as I can on this, because usually when I pull my stickers, I don't use all of them. So I'm going to try to use every sticker on this page, but we'll see how that goes. So I'm going to start off by whitening out this December and replacing it with a different one. As far as the sticker books I use so many, y'all, I couldn't even keep up and tell you guys. But I know I used the winter sticker books, the one from 2019 and 2020. Christmas Joy, probably. Some of the seasonal ones. I used a ton of different stickers. So I'm going to take this December. I don't want anything covering up Sunday though. So I have my hole punch here. I have seen like Crafty Planner Queen. She does the spines on her planner, and I've always wondered like, how does she do that? But with the collab that I did with Cassie That Plans, or Cassie That Girl, she showed how she does it. So I'm gonna take this sticker, this long clear sticker that says "and a Happy New Year," and I'm gonna put that on the last week of the year. Okay, so let's try to keep this even. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to take my scissors. And cut. And re-punch it. I hope I do this right. Okay, so I did that successfully, so I'll zoom in so you guys can see. It's a little scary, but I did it. And a Happy New Year at the bottom. I know it's hard to see, oh my gosh, with the silver, but you'll see it better in pictures. So I'm gonna go ahead and start laying down some of this, some of the decorative stickers. Start putting, okay, I know I want, so I'm actually looking at another, I'm just quickly showing you because I don't want you guys to see everything going on. I already have a monthly view from a different planner that I went ahead and that I went ahead and wrote down like stuff in pencil, all of my sponsorships and videos and stuff that I have going on in December. So I already know, you know, what's going on in December. So I can go ahead and, you know, use some decorative stickers on days I don't have uploads and stuff like that. So here. Trim this down just a hair. This beautiful ornament. So my color scheme with this spread, or my monthly view, is silver, red, like a more like burgundy red, and pink. I can't wait to show you guys like the pictures in natural light, because I like to film my videos in natural light as well because they don't have glare. But you know, sometimes you gotta film when you have to. Let's see. I'm gonna put Merry and Bright on the 20th. Okay. I want to place my sticker doll on here. See where I want to put her. Probably want to put her over here. Been dying to use like the ugly Christmas sweater stickers from the Winter sticker book. I think it's from Winter, or it might be from Merry and Bright. It's from either one of those. And I have a collab where I'm probably going to be wearing one. So I'm going to probably cut this in half. And put it on there. But I have a collab that day, so I have to layer. I'm gonna layer this text box over it. Silver text box. Okay. I can put the other half of this on a different day. I don't know where. Maybe up here. I gotta cut the bottom off. Let's give it some breathing room. All right. Okay, let's look at some other days I don't have any videos going up. Okay, so my camera did cut off because it got overheated, and I didn't want to stop, but I didn't want to go like too far so you guys would still see me doing stuff. So I went ahead and put more of these silver like pine leaves or whatever on there, and I am going to start putting some of these, more of these text boxes on here. where else I could fit some in. I could cut this in half and see what happens. This is so pretty. Okay. A few more decorative things to add. Go in my colorful boxes sticker book. See what we have left in here. Okay, so I'm gonna put this to-do sticker on there. Actually, still, even though I'm slowing down in December, I still have a lot of stuff to do before I can take a break. So I'm gonna put this candy cane on here. Oh, didn't need to take off that much. Kind of don't want to put that up there. But I'll still wipe these out because I already started it. Nah, that's not gonna work. I'll have to kind of hold it up like this because the foil is just catching the light too much. But I think this looks so beautiful. This is probably one of my favorite monthly spreads I've done this year. I just think it looks so good. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Be sure to follow me on HeartsAndAPlan on Instagram and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for supporting. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.